Ampeak 400-watt inverter. Personally, I think it's one of the best inverters for the price and wattage. It's able to power up my TV set, the security you see on it, the camera, the 200-watt speakers, the DVR, the NVR, the light, off this little unit. I'm very impressed by that. And second of all, I use my solar charger load output, and that's how I hook it up to the Ampeak. And you can see that, oops, I just turned it off. I'm gonna turn it back on, but you use the load output, turn it on, and it's enough to power this up without hurting the charger or the inverter. And I still got my 2000-watt Ampeak inverter hooked up to the battery part of the solar charger. So this is an excellent add-on to any solar charger that has a load output.
So I just installed in my boat. I'm only running a C charger here, which is 18 watt max total. And when I plug it in, we've got, this thing is junk. Awesome, right? It is running off the DC, but no clue. And this is my phone cord.